I thought it was like, why are you not starting your tires? Like,
One with your life, not behind the scenes, on the streets. The shadows broken, swept away, swept away, swept away. Not behind the scenes, on the streets, the shadows broken.
Ryan in his natural habitat.
Started too fast, now you can't slow down. A runaway girl in a hurricane town, singing a song that you never really knew, and I need you to come back home. Serving drinks in New Orleans, you made a few friends and then you headed east to Seaside, where the time flies and everybody seems to have the time of their life. I hope you're happy. Don't forget where you came from. Don't forget where you came from. No matter where you go, I'll be waiting right back home. Don't forget where you came from. Don't forget where you came from. Last I heard, you went to Savannah, like all the pretty girls do, roaming the streets with a drink in your hand while your money runs out on you. I think it's funny that boy you met, a cheap version of everything I have. But don't let it put a ring on your head, 'cause nobody's gonna love you the way I can. I hope you're happy. Don't forget where you came from. Don't forget where you came from. Tennessee sky. You know, no matter how far you fly, I'm gonna keep holding out for you. Southern girl with a fearless heart, running out of reasons on the boulevard. You want a man who loves who you are, with a man knocking on your door. Oh, your hand